want to talk a little bit about habits because I think there's some specific strategies there. With a habit, and again, this is the quick version of all of these strategies. One of the more useful strategies for habits is something called implementation intentions. And this is from the researcher Peter Gollwitzer. And he talks about how if we can kind of create a plan for people, this is something you can build into your training. If X happens, I'll do Y. So if you're trying to quit smoking, you can create plans for yourself. If I have a craving to smoke because I'm bored, I'll play Candy Crush on my phone. If I have a craving to smoke because I'm stressed, I'll call my sister. If I have a craving to smoke because I'm in a social situation, I'll chew gum. And so creating some of these nice kind of little scripts or habits to formulate habit stuff. And then we also get into feedback and some of those kinds of things.